Hello guys, this is Amith here. I'm going to teach you today on understanding of Salesforce Schema Builder. Now before building up the Schema Builder, let us first try to know what are Schema Builders. Schema Builder is a place where you can build a simplest form of the objects as well as fields in an easier way of drag and drop method. So that is nothing but the schema builder. Now, where you have to go to the schema builder, I have logged in as a system administrator with the hospital management system as a application, Amith Rao, and now I'll click on the setup. You have schema builder. If you press on schema builder is shown. Click on this. This area is known as a schema builder. Now let us see what are the options which is available and the availabilities and the drawbacks of the schema builder. In the simplest form, at the left hand side you can see the elements and the objects. Now elements consist of objects as well as all the data types for a fields. And the objects are nothing but all the objects you have the selected objects. If I select an account and activity, you have the selected objects which is filtered. You have the standard objects which is all provided by the Salesforce. All standard objects you can select the custom objects which is all the custom which I have created from my own, and you have the system object which is a for activity, event, task and a user which is provided by the Salesforce system objects. Now considering the all objects into the consideration, going to the elements, let us create an object. Say for example, drag and drop over to the schema. You can create the object. Let us create as IMI consonant. Object name is IMI. Description, context, let it be as the help and training window which is the standard Salesforce which is providing. Open a window which is a custom visual force page which I don't want. The record name is IMI name. The IMI name is nothing but it is a field in a record which is created by the Salesforce at least one by default while creating a new object. That is same if you create for every object. So now I'll make check mark of allow reports, allow activities, track field history, and coming to the following is in development is deployed because we are deploying it to the production, and add Google Docs notes and attachments related list to the default page layout. What is default page layout is nothing but the IMI object layout. So there I can see notes and attachments. I'll show you. You can make it save. Once you have saved it, the object is saved and you can see this in the sections. So now when you are seeing this in the sections, the object has already been created. Now if you want to create an auto number over here, you can also create an auto number over here. Now if I'm drag and drop here, the auto number will ask, I will save as IMI number. The field name is IMI number. Description, help text. You have the auto number display format. I will save it as IMI this format, and I have the starting number as 1001 and generate auto number for existing records. If you want the generate auto number for existing records, means if it is existing, then you can generate an auto number for existing records. Okay, so now let us consider, not we'll save this, and you can see the IMI number underscore C, which is a custom one, is already shown. Now if you want to change the properties, you can change the properties of the IMI again, but I will not change the properties. You can even hide the object on canvas. Like for example, if I go to the object, you have this. So now if I uncheck it, it will go off. If I check this, it will come off. So that is nothing but if you hide object in canvas, it will go off. That is simplest form. Also, you can delete the object. You can view the object of the IMIC. But if you view the object of the IMIC, you can see the view the object as well as the fields, which is IMI number, which is an auto number, and IMI name, which is created by Schema Builder. But one drawbacks over here is you are not able to see the tabs. Can you see the tabs, IMI tabs? If I go to the tabs, you are not able to see the IMI, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. You can, in the ice area, you cannot see IMI. So what you have to do is you have to separately create a tab over here. So that's why the one drawback is if you create an object, you need to create a tab separately. Also, if you create a field, you have to create a drag and drop from the section of the layout as well. Now, if I go to the tabs, if you customize with the tabs, I will go to the setup, I will go to the tabs, I will create a tab. Can you see? Is it IMI is available? No. Correct? Only invoice statements in the I you have. So I create a IMI. Let me create a new. I'll create IMI. See, it is visible over here. It provides the schema builder. Now, after that, you select, say for example, tab style. This is none, and you have the tab which is created, tab IMI from schema builder. Correct? So I'll press on next. What we'll ask is profile. Now, second, the first and foremost is the profile. To which profile? So all the profiles which is available right now, I'm in which profile? I'm in a system administrator profile, and my cloned profile is one more profile which I have as a baby admin. So that is also default on. So all the profiles you are able to visualize this tab. So let me go to the next. Next, it will ask for the tab visibility over the application level. Profile level is over. Now the application level. Now in the application level, I'm making it available in all the application. Let it make it save. And hence you can see this IMI over here, this tab. At the same time, you can see this IMI over here. So can you see this? So once you create a new record, IMI name will be asked. Say for example, Imperial Metal Industry. Imperial Metal Industry. I will save it. Now automatically you can see, you cannot see the auto number. Why? Auto number field is not visible. Why? Because basically you have to go to the edit layout, and then you have to bring the IMI number through drag and drop. That is what, the drawback which I have told you. So I will drop it over here, and I will save it. Now once after I've saved it, so you can see this IMI number which is 101, and this is what is on the UI level, which you can visualize. You can bring that IMI number From the view, if you go, you can save it. Visible to all users. Now you can see IMI number and IMI name. Now at the same time, if we go to the schema builder, you can see the field IMI number and the object which is created. Now if I go to the view options, if I make it as display element labels, display element labels means field labels, which is IMI number. Now this IMI number will change into underscore underscore C. That means it is speaking about display element names. That means field names. Field names are API names. Field labels are just a label. Now this is field names. Also the objects will have an effect on that. See, you can see changes. Now hide the relationships. I will tell you, hide the legends is nothing but the legends which you are having here. Now I'll show you what are the relationships which you are able to see it over here. Now if I'm bringing it over here, let me select I will select auto layout. You can see that again. Now if I create account, or else if I bring doctor list, patient prescription, which is my customized one, and doctor list. If I bring it over here, if I make it as auto layout, those two things are available here. So you can see patient prescription and you can see doctor's list, which is visible over here. Okay. Now, what are the relationships which are visible? That I will show you in this layout. You can see this red. This is master detail relationship from patient prescriptions to doctor's list. So this is the relationship between the both, which is shown here, which is nothing but the legends, and all the red one are the required fields, and the lookup relationships is the doctor's lookup relationship from doctor's list to doctor's list. This is the self lookup relationships. So this is how you can see the relationships which are available across the area. Now if I go and create hide relationship, the relationship will hide. If you want to show it, you can show it again, show relationships. This is how it goes on. So this is the all about the schema builder. Now if I talk about the schema builder in terms of here, I have to already told you, you can hide it into canvas, you can edit the object properties. If you want to edit it, you can again edit it. You can again, if you want to do the view objects and view page layouts, you can do the rest of the needs. So that is what basically you have the difference of schema and editor. After object is created, tabs need to be created separately. Field need to be dragged and dropped into the edit page layout section to be visible on the UI. So the drawbacks of the schema is in tabs creation and the field to be drag and dropped at a section. Uses of schema is the fast creation and with the drag and drop. So this is how the usefulness of the schema builder. Now if I go about the talk about the Salesforce Lightning, if you have the console application, for example over here I have Pradhan call center as the console application. Now how can I do the schema builder over here? Pradhan call center, if you go there, this is the Salesforce Lightning, the look and feel is completely different. It is very easy. You can see all the applications, the tabs which is in the horizontal, you can see vertically, one by one. And over here, you can see the Pradhan call center, all the application which is lined here. And you can see the login settings, profiles, developer consoles, and logouts. And here you have the setup sections. If you go to the setup, you can go to the schema builder. This is back to Pradhan call center because I'm right now in the Pradhan call center application where I use schema builder to process on. Now, if I go to the schema builder, this schema builder is nothing but the same schema builder which was working on before. So automatically, like if you close it, you will come back to the application. You can go back to the Pradhan call center. So this is all about how the application look and feel is all about. Now, if I go to the campaigns, if I select a campaign or if I select an account, okay, I want to select one account. This account click will show as in the horizontal tab one by one. Now, if I go again, if I want to open up the multiple from the opportunities, I want to open one opportunity, it will open up here. So this is one more advantage of the console application. So that's why Salesforce Lightning is in very good boom right now. So thank you guys. This is all about schema builder which I wanted to show you to all about. Thank you. Thank you so much.